Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 9th of November. The Bank of England and the European Central Bank kept all interest rates unchanged yesterday in line with expectations. During his latest press conference, Mario Draghi, president of the ECB, gave no hints that any further stimulus measures are to be expected, despite the recent weakness in the Eurozone data. Draghi emphasised that monetary policy had already been accommodating, but he, however, maintained a downbeat and unclear outlook on his economy. Greece remains top of an overloaded agenda, with finance ministers due to hold further eco-finance meetings on Monday, and rumours remain in the air of a Greek exit. Across the Atlantic Ocean, President Barack Obama has the US fiscal cliff to keep him occupied for the coming months. Clarity around the globe may give rise to a relief rally that cannot come soon enough. The euro ended another day slightly weaker against the US dollar, with a 0.12% daily fall. A range has now been established between 127.75 and 127.25, and we must be careful of a breakout in either direction. The US dollar versus the Japanese yen continues to be an interesting battle as the US fiscal cliff weighs down on dollar strength. The Japanese yen has now won 2 days in a row as the pair moved from 79.93 to 79.49, with a 0.62% daily decline. Gold found some power late in the US trading session yesterday to hit a high of 173.480. The next target of 174.2 could now be challenged. The UK 100, which follows the FTSE, continued to slump for another day from 5797 to 574150. We will wait to see today if UK markets can avoid a weekly loss. The US 500, which follows the SPI, experienced further declines yesterday, falling from 139360 to 137660, a 1.20% decline. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 127.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 127.30. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.80 with a preference to enter in short positions at 79.80. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.85. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 159.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 159.75. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9975 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9975. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 86.20 with a preference to enter in short positions at 86.20. The gold pivot point is at 1720 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1720. The silver pivot point is at 32 with a preference to enter into long positions at 32. The US 500 is at 1400 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1400. And the UK 100 is at 5800 with a preference to enter in short positions at 5800. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the trade balance forecast to drop down to minus 9.1 billion. And in the US, the University of Michigan consumer sentiment forecast to remain at 82.6. And our interesting pair of the day is the dollar South African rand. We saw the US dollar continue to stamp its authority on the South African rand with another day of gains, opening at 864 and finishing nearly 0.80% higher at 870.75, reaching its peak of 874.70 at approximately 15:55 GMT. Since January 2011, the US dollar has gained nearly 30% against the African nation's currency. A medium-term bullish trend remains apparent, with short-term targets of 877.80 and 882.90 in sight. Only a move back below 850 may kick the dollar down and allow the ZAR to fight another day. Thank you for watching our daily outlook for the 9th of November. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.